Hey guys, how are you? Kita from KITAFIT.com. Remember to like and subscribe below. Make a comment. The comments are actually the most helpful. If you guys love what we're doing here, let me know. Hey guys! Alright, here we go. We're gonna get started. First thing we're gonna do is just walk. So, quick, hands on hips. Move through, follow through. Think of pushing off those first two toes. It's okay, I'm just thinking of I've been running around doing chores today. So I'm just thinking of this as a beautiful ice bath. So we're gonna do, because I have PT today, I'm gonna make this a little quicker. Okay, so now I'm gonna do 2 times around on my walking backwards. It's getting it so redundant. Push. Beautiful. I love challenges, you know. But the one thing is, I guess what we have to realize with this recovery process is it's not all fancy, you know what I mean? You gotta kind of listen to your body, I guess. We're gonna come back. I'm gonna do a couple more of those because I just want to get that really solid. So I'm just gonna walk forward. This time I'm walking a little faster and really pushing off. Beautiful. And I'm just gonna do here. It's a little bit lighter, this is a little bit heavier. So I'll probably do the lighter one just because I'm gonna have PT. You're just gonna wrap that right around your ankles. And we're gonna do side steps, okay? So it's gonna be right here. We'll just so we don't lose camera. I'll just do a couple. Push. It's interesting, my right side, which is the surgery side, is coming along really super well. It's now my left side. I've got a transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulator, a TENS unit, which I've been using every day. And I've actually been putting it on my left side. Oh, it feels so good. Push. Oh, beautiful. Let's do a couple more of these. Just want to go to fatigue here. Push. Now I'm going to do those monster walks, which are together. Push. Ooh, that feels good. Push. Ooh, that feels good. It's a hurt feel good.